Everybody's oven is different, so keep a check on your cake every 10 to 15 minutes. Depending upon your oven, it may take 5 to 10 minutes more or less. So just keep a check on your cake. You don't want undercooked or overbaked cake, otherwise it won't taste good. Okay, so let's give this a try. So good. Fantastic, literally. It's so good. It's soft, spongy, and crumbly. It's perfect for tea time. This is just wonderful. Go to your kitchen right now and just make it. It's so fantastic. It's freaking awesome. So, go to your kitchen, give it a try, and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. So, right now, just go and give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Till then, bye! You still here? Go to your kitchen, make your own. I'm not gonna share. This is mine. Don't stare.